Hi, this is Steve with ColorSeal Pro. Thank you for checking out our helpful hint number 1. Today, we're going to demonstrate the impact of using too much product, the impact that it can have on the overall job. So let's just get down to it here. We're going to apply a bead of product like we normally would. On this line, we're going to go a little heavy and apply more product. And on this line, we are going to apply the appropriate amount of product and go a little bit lighter. And now we're going to spread it. And then wipe like we normally would. So as you can see, with this line, we went heavy on the product. It's messy, and we're requiring multiple wipes. Obviously, it's taking a little bit longer to do this line. Now, with the line that we did the appropriate amount of product, basically got it clean in one wipe and a clean wipe. So keep in mind, the amount of product that you put down definitely impacts how long the job will take and affects your productivity. And thanks for checking us out today. If you have any comments, questions, or would like to see a helpful hint of your own, go to our website and make the request, colorsealpro.com.